Hey everyone, welcome back. I've done a lot of work on my truck as of late. I haven't filmed it, unfortunately. I just get so focused on what I'm doing that I totally forget about the camera, and I apologize. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a recap for you guys. I built my drawers. They're all complete. I have to put a couple dividers in it still for some spices and to hold our cutlery. I need to do another coat of polyurethane on the drawer faces and my cutting board. I've got all my electrical in. I'm wired in. This is the only one that I need to fix. I've got my bed platform installed and my storage box installed. So today, what I'm gonna do is, hopefully I'm gonna finish up. I'm gonna do all the carpeting inside, I hope, if all goes well. And I'm gonna seal these off, I hope, today. So please join me. Let's go. First things first, tie up those wires so they don't get in my way. Now that I got everything ready, I'm gonna spray some spray adhesive on my platform bed. I'm gonna let it tack up a bit. I'm gonna try to only do it in sections so I don't get a little too far ahead of myself. And then that'll be it. Some dust if I can. Well, I need to let that set up for roughly 5 minutes, and then I'll see you in a bit. Maybe that will fucking. Well, it's good enough. So want to get. Holy shit. That is. Oh. Yeah. Well, got the the sleeping quarters or the sleeping platform done. Now I'm going to work on some of the little inserts for my electrical so I can get at it, access ports. So I'll see you in a bit. Ooh. Fits like a glove. I'm hoping I'm gonna have enough of this. I might need to go to Home Depot and pick some up. Go. We're ready to rock and roll. Uh-oh. So I got it done. I'm just gonna throw it in there so the sides can cure a little bit, and because they keep flipping up on me. So I'm just gonna throw it in there and go from there. Well, I'm almost out of this stuff, so I'm gonna make the best of a crappy situation right now, and I'm going to probably finish up this side, then I'm gonna have to go make a run for it because I have a feeling I'm gonna run out. I don't have enough to do this. I think this is gonna have to go because it makes it a little too tight. Well, looks like I'm almost to the end part of my carpeting for now. I got a few little minor things to do, but yeah, I'm gonna put this in, and then I think I might fix my electrical right here and my light because I accidentally pulled out one of the wires, and then I think I'm done for the day. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Well, I'm gonna fix my 12-volt plugs, and then I think I'm gonna fix my light, and then I think I might be done for the day. So, let's go. Well, I think I'm gonna call her quits. I ran out of the spray adhesive, so I have to go to Home Depot and pick some up. Maybe tomorrow I'll do a bit more. All right, I'll see you later. Can you do me a favor? I'm trying to get to 1,000 likes, or I should say 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 likes would be pretty good, but if you want to do that, that'd be awesome. Thank you.